we've loosened. Underneath there's a bolt, and right underneath there's a bolt to see if we can shine a light, show you. Quite able to, but right there, there's another one. Yeah, you can see it right there. Below this one, there's one. It's hard to show you. Yeah, I already removed the oil feed line. So to loosen pipe right there, you have to unhook that with a flathead with a metal pipe to detach off of it from right there. Oh yeah, and I loosened that too, to we're able to wiggle it. Yeah, it's coming free. Just have to unhook that bottom, the new turbo that we'll replace with metal on. About got it back in there. We'll have this one bolt just then putting back these about new ones, so that one was the hardest for me to get started down there, to reach down there, and that was pretty easy to put that new hose on there. It's on, and this bent line right here.